Yo, YouTubies! Big Eddie, Ground Zero Customs, bringing you a addict update. Well, and a couple other things. This first kit is from Dwayne Benninger. I won a giveaway, and this is what I won from him. Thank you much, Dwayne. It's a Ford. Woohoo! I purchased these from Transition Modeler, Gary. It's open, but it's all in there. The Daisy Jeep. And we all live in a yellow submarine. Gotta have one of them. He had these fiber optic lighting kits. I had a couple of them, and I purchased them because, where is he? I'm hoping I can light him with it. We're going to find out, I hope. I've never lit anything. I've been lit, but I've never lit one. That's a different story and a different video. I was just up to school in Wisconsin, and I stopped at the old hobby shop before all the virus shut everything down, and purchased this, Apollo, Galaxy Quest, the old Fab 1 Thunderbirds. I thought that was kind of cool. This I bought locally. This was at a Joann's Fabric. They're starting to, man, if I can pick it up. They're starting to have some model kits. So I got this, Polar Lights. It's a heavy kit. And it was at Joann Fabrics. Pretty cool. 66 Chevelle. I like these kits. They build really good. The old luxury lot. As soon as I get it built, we're going for a cruise, people. Everyone's invited. And I had to buy this, because anybody guess why I bought this kit? Because it is a big ass bird. Oh, the box art, I love it. They had a slammer. I don't have one for the old attic, so I figured I would pick one up. What else? Star Wars. Oh, man. I'm going to get slapped for this. Star Trek. Deep Space Nine. What else? Yoda. Hey, Yoda. What else I got? Got the Munsters. I might have showed this, but I'm going to show it again if I hadn't. I think I did already. But anyway, there it is again. What else? Oh, these. I was at a Hobby Lobby. They had these for the incredible price of $2.49. They were $10. So, you know me, I had to buy them all, so I got 3 of them. They had a P-51. Same thing. Look at the price difference. Awesome. Let me see what else we got. Let's go over here. I got the Vanishing Point. I got another Mustang. Everybody needs about 25 Foose trucks. Mustang. I didn't have any of these. Now I got 2. That's we like to do that up here. And I got another Don Nicholson. I think that's it though, guys, for this addict update. Let me think. Yep, that's it. Now I'm doing some gibberish. Jibber jabber. All right, guys. Well, this is Big Eddie. We're signing off on this addict update. Thank you. Build on and peace.